$100 left alone for 50 years at 10% annual return becomes about $12,000. No additional deposits, no lottery, no secrets, just math. This is compound interest, the reason some people build wealth while others stay stuck. But the mechanism? Most people never understand it. Most people think investing requires $10,000 to start, a finance degree, or Wall Street connections. Banks do not want you to understand compound interest because once you do, you stop giving them your money at 0.01% interest and start keeping the larger percentage for yourself. Year 1, $100 earns 10%, that is $10 profit, giving you $110. Year 2, the full $110 earns 10%, giving you $121. Year 3, $121 earns 10%, giving you $133.10. Notice, you earned $10 in year 1, $11 in year 2, $12 in year 3. The profit itself is growing because you earn interest on the original amount plus interest on all the interest you already earned. Most people stop there, but zoom out to the full timeline. 10 years, $100 becomes $259. 20 years, $673. 30 years, about $1,700. 50 years, about $12,000. The curve does not get steeper, it becomes vertical. This is why time is the most powerful tool in compound interest. Two friends. Sam invests $5,000 at age 25 and lets it sit untouched for 40 years until retirement. Casey waits until age 35, then invests the same $5,000 for 30 years. Same amount, same 10% rate, different timeline. One decision costs the other friend an enormous amount of future wealth. Sam's $5,000 grows to about $226,000. Casey's grows to about $87,000. The gap between them is staggering, all from one decision to wait 10 years. Time is the one variable you cannot buy back. If Casey waits until 45, her $5,000 becomes about $34,000. If she waits until 55, it becomes about $13,000. Every year you wait, you lose exponential growth that will never compound. This is not about motivation. This is mathematics. How do you actually use this? First, decide how much you can invest. $50 per month works. $10 per week works. Second, open an investment account. Look for one that pays interest on your money. Third, pick a rate of return you believe in. Stocks historically return 10% per year. Bonds return 4% to 5%. Start with whichever feels right for your timeline. Plug in your own number. Whatever you can realistically invest, $100, $500, $2,000, the mechanism is the same. Time and rate do the heavy lifting. Your future self is begging you to make this decision today. Compound interest is not a trick. It is not a scam. It is a superpower waiting for you to activate it. But it only works if you let it run. The moment you start is the moment you win. Banks already use it with your money. But if you get there first, if you plant your seed today, you keep the whole curve. Next week, index funds. How to invest in hundreds of companies at once and let compound interest do the work for you. This is the unfinanced. See you then.